Hello, you beautiful person. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to talk about Crocs affiliate program and some strategies you can utilize to make money with this affiliate program. I'm going to share with you some methods. Now, didn't start this. I didn't make money with this affiliate marketing, but I made money with other affiliate marketing platforms, and actually with one, but with Amazon actually to be specific. But I know some strategies I'm going to share with you. Make sure you stick to the end, and if you're new to my channel, make sure you subscribe for more affiliate marketing programs and tutorials. I love creating tutorials, so I really appreciate if you subscribe. Make sure you watch this video till the very end. And now, without further ado, let's jump right into this video. So Crocs website is really popular. Crocs. So what is Crocs is like a very popular platform if you're looking for something comfy, something that you want to wear, some cool shoes. So Crocs is actually a shoes company. It's a great website. Now not only shoes, but they also have sandals, boots, sneakers, flats. So if you want something with a lot of colors, a lot of variations, clogs, you can find those on. You can find sandals, and a lot of options as you can see. And if you want to join their affiliate program, what you can do is you see here also affiliate program. You can click on that link, or you can also go to impact.com. And you have to create an account. Now, what is impact.com? You can also see here Crocs. If you scroll down, as I said, you can click on the affiliate program. And here you can see some of the things here, like how do I get started, register, okay. Make sure to complete all the details and tax information to activate your account by clicking the link in the confirmation. Okay, and all right, here I can do affiliates, how are there. So basically, application, you need to read Crocs affiliate agreement, fill out an online application. You can do it as to impact.com. I already have an account on Impact. You can create, sign up here, and then what you have here to do is actually to account sign up as a partner brand. If you click here on partner, I would just have to wait. But after you complete the application, they have to give you approval. They have to approve your request, and then you'll get access to a lot of brands, right? Not only Crocs, but you'll be able to promote so many brands, sorry. Then you can search for Crocs program, and I'll show you in a second. And you'll find Crocs program, and you have to apply from here for it, as I said. They'll review your application after you create your Impact account. So here you can create your account. You can do it through Apple, Facebook, Google, Twitter, or LinkedIn, or you can sign up with impact.com or sign up with an email, and then that's the verification process. Sign up with email, create your account, and then I'll sign in, and I'm going to show you there how you can look for Impact. Now this is my account. I don't have any sales yet, but I'm not focusing on this affiliate program. But now what I'll do, I'll click on here on brands and find brands. And now here I can look for Crocs. Crocs, okay. And if I find here, actually not find brands, but actually I find brands, and here all brands. And here if I write Crocs, all right, here I should be able to find, as you see, exactly this is the company. Here you just click on apply, and here enter, tell Crocs why do you want to work on this campaign. But before doing that, obviously you should have some sort of blog or a YouTube channel so you can promote this affiliate program. And to do so is really important, guys, that you actually start a blog or a YouTube channel. And if this affiliate program is about shoes, is about things like that, so you can start a YouTube channel talking about shoes. You can start a TikTok talking about fashion. You can share with people fashion tips, and this is great. Great thing. Like there's so many other fashion affiliate programs, And when you start social media, YouTube channel, Instagram, TikTok, sharing things about fashion, you can try different clothes, different shoes, and then just leave your affiliate links for your on your TikTok account, on your YouTube videos, and just promote affiliate links. But it's gonna take time to get there. Now it's really popular to try. Right, that's what I've seen on TikTok recently, and it's getting really popular. You just have to try to combine different clothes for different styles, like going outside and just trying different clothes. I think that's really popular nowadays. That's really popular. I see a lot of people going viral. So outfit for going outside, outfit for party, outfit for casual outfit, and try a different combination, shoes with, you know what I mean. I think I'm gonna show you a video actually to show you example. It's really going viral. You can share your feelings there, but it takes time to get there. As I said, it takes time with YouTube. Even with YouTube, starting a YouTube channel, if you're interested in fashion, you can share your passion there. You can create tutorials on different things related to fashion, and then for shoes you can actually compare. You can do versus a shoes company versus another shoes company, things like that. You can compare. You can also buy a lot of shoes from Crocs and then review those shoes. Do a review, and it takes time and it's not easy. That's what you have to remember, and make sure you are interested in this company as well, in fashion, if you want to join this program. And make sure if you join, you're actually really interested in starting this business, because it takes time and it's not easy. All right, that's something you have to remember, because affiliate marketing and just working in this field is not easy by any means. It just takes a lot of work. And also remember, when you send their application, um, you click here on sign in. As I said, you can click on your partner, brand, or agency, and you click on sign up with email here. And here, just enter your first name, your last name, username, email address, and then password, mobile number, and make sure you read the partner user agreement. And here we can write impact affiliate. Just make sure you read this. It's really important, like, to read the partner user agreement and master campaign agreement, and then you can join the partner. They will accept your request, and then just you can look for Cross here. There are other companies here as well, for EU, for France, for Korea, UK, and then click on apply, and you want to promote, and you can promote so many other brands here. So many popular fashion and brands. And yes, I assume that you are interested in affiliate marketing, affiliate program, this affiliate program. Remember, there is a learning curve and you have to learn a lot to see any results pretty much. If you start a blog, if you start a website, and then you can share it here, there, your thoughts as well. If you like to write, again, you need to write, you need to learn skills. You need to learn to write better, to write your articles, do keyword research, to search for topics to write about. And because, you know, you can also share your, just your experience using different clothes and shoes. But it's also important to obviously to develop your skills, learn more about affiliate marketing, and just do basically what you love. If you're not interested in this, I don't think it's worth it to start doing it, right? And this again applies with a YouTube channel. To grow a YouTube channel takes a lot of time, takes a lot of time, and it's not easy. But yeah, I also have some other. I join other affiliate programs, and I only have. I've made money with one Amazon on Amazon, and I join a different affiliate program, which is Fiverr, and I haven't made any money yet. But I just have to be consistent. I know, and I like what program, what platform I'm promoting, so that's fine again. And remember, it's gonna take time to see any results, and to join out this affiliate program is not really hard. They will accept your request, and then you can join. You have to complete your profile, your impact.com profile. Make sure you complete your profile. Here you add everything you need to about the program, you know. So just remember to complete the program, to complete to sorry to you like mean your profile, to add your taxes to your profile. Here from here settings, make sure you go to settings, and then you add all the important information like general company and things like that related to your account. All right, like buy a bank account and other things like create your public profile for brands, so brands will accept you. And here, if you can see also notifications, other campaigns available, and other like platforms you can join their affiliate program. So I really hope guys you found my video helpful. Leave your thoughts in the comment section, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.